you want to open this things. You have small clipper there. And you have small clipper. This is the lock for the covering for the bolt, and we have this number 3 covering open. So we have to open, should be to open this bolt and one bolt inside. Used to be this uses for this handle. This is the second bolt you open for the handle, for the cover for the door. And we have to bring it small piece for the something for the to not make scratch for the covering for door. Should be to coming to make like that to save for the door. You make higher there. And use again and again. This is the clipper for the door. You make higher for the door, and we want to open the lock for the handle. This is the lock. And also you want to open the switch for the glass for the door, and you want to remove it. Be careful for this plastic. Again, you want to open this bolt. It's thin, and you want to remove this cover. Second one. Now number 1 is open, and number 2 was also the crack. Now we have lock inside. We have lock inside. See it? We have this yellow lock. You need to push like that by hand. Make back side. Now you can see it is open the lock. You can't remove the handle now. The handle is can't remove it now. Now you want to open this is what he crack it every time. Again, you want to. You see now, you can see it backside. The bolt sometimes is not open, so should be to bring it a plier to catch for him. Bring the plier. you want to bring the plier and you open this thing, the crack, by this. Now this is the pieces make a problem, and the bracket for the handle for the door. You want to fix there. That's the place for him. You see it? Okay. Okay. If you want to fix this, you want to remove this is a plastic for the handle, the seal for the.
Excuse me, some conflicting accounts from some other very high-level sources, and then we'll turn to our experts. So, first,
this is you want to open.
Donald Trump right now is
very easy to fix for you, and that's the piece. You crack it. This is the piece, and this. Next time, if you don't now, you repair it now. This is now not a crack, but if you make safety now to make a glue for him and close it, because when you repair this, maybe after 1 month or 2 months, he's a crack again for this size. So one time you want to fix now. You want to use this glue like salsa for the kid, mixing like that by hand. So you mix again. He's coming. The color he's changed. He's coming like a silver or the. Now you see color is changed. I mix it. Now you need to put little inside, because you want to fix the bolt. To catch little for the bolt. And again you want to put the glue roundabout for this nut for the bolt. Be careful about this is the handle, because this is flexible. Don't put the glue there. Down to make seat. Now very easy for push the glue by your hand. Again you push. It's coming to be full. Again we need more glue. If you want to cut this glue, you want use the brown one and the black one the same size. Do you see it? Not the one big, not the small, the same size. Be careful, the same size. Now again mixing.